good idea to leave things plugged in. But all we got here is a light, fan, this little thing here that I'm going to unplug when it's done. TV's unplugged, microscope's not plugged in. The amplifier is plugged in, but it's turned off. The light bulb's not plugged in. Vacuum cleaner's not plugged in entirely, but kind of plugged in. Needs to be unplugged. There's that. And then the cell phone charger. That's about it. Nothing plugged in here at all. And then gotta remember to unplug things. Sometimes you forget. So nothing plugged in here except that light bulb. Nothing plugged in here. Microwave, refrigerator, the stove. Got the coffee pot unplugged. Solar panels taken down. And don't forget these things. In the bathroom, we got to unplug the shaver. Now we're unplugged, and that's how you take care of that. Minimal energy use is a good thing, especially when it's warm out. That's good. So we're doing pretty decent. At least now we are. But we weren't using extreme amounts of energy, but you know, you never know.